Welcome to MacGyvers Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something.
Hi there. Welcome to my little corner of the YouTube world that we call MacGyvers Workshop. All my friends nickname me MacGyver because I can design, fix, build, rebuild just about anything. At the encouragement of my neighbor, who's another YouTuber, we set up a YouTube channel here for the workshop, and we do all kinds of stuff. You never know what we may be doing from one day to the next. We might be doing, car repairs, building a UTV, building a house, anything. There's no telling. You just never know what's going to come up needing fixing or building from one day to the next. I appreciate you stopping by our little channel. I hope you'll subscribe and click the little bell icon up there to be notified anytime we have a new video posted. And thank you for watching.